In this video, I'm going to give you a walking tour of Big Meadows Campground in Shenandoah National Park. Let's get to it. Check out our latest RV and camping related gear at our Amazon storefront. Link in video description. You're looking at the check-in station for the Big Meadows Campground. That would be off to the right. Off to the left is a picnic area, amphitheater. The lodge is off beyond that. But I'm only going to show you the best campsites. These are campsites I'd want to come back to camp in. There's very few big rig friendly sites in this campground. This is the Big Meadows Campground. In this campground, most of the sites will not accommodate big rigs. This is site C137. That one would accommodate my fifth wheel and I could get my rig level. But the campground's pretty much not conducive to big rig camping. There's a fifth wheel up in site C139. But walking around this whole campground, very few sites will accommodate a big rig. Site C137 going down the book. Site C139 going down in the book as well. The restrooms at Big Meadows Campground have flush toilets, a urinal, and a couple sinks. Site C140 also going down the book. Here at Big Meadows Campground in Shenandoah National Park, it's all dry camping, no hookups. Progressing down the campground, I found another big rig friendly site. This is site A76. Site A76 going down the book. And there's another vantage point of site A76. At Big Meadows Campground in Shenandoah National Park, you also have trash receptacles and potable raw water. There are spigots strewn throughout the campground. They have several different walk-in tent camping sections here at Big Meadows Campground. Like I said, most of the sites are designed for smaller camping configurations. There are multiple restroom facilities and trash receptacles strewn throughout the campground. And right across from this restroom facility is site A97, not a bad site. Should be able to get your rig level on that site and get a fairly large camping configuration in there. Site A97 going down the book. Site A97 is also handicap accessible. Site A103 is one of the longer sites that I've seen. And if you move your camping configuration toward the rear of the site, you should be able to get your rig level. Site A103 going down the book. Right here at Big Meadows Campground, they have showers off in the building, off to the left in your screen. They also have a laundry, and they sell wood and ice. Good to know information, all vehicles, including tent trailers, must be parked on paved parking areas, and this applies to the other loops as well. It is a pretty campground. Check out the woods surrounding the campground. Here's a fairly large pull-through campsite. This is site F199. It is reservable. You can get quite a large camping configuration in that site. Site F199 going down the book. Even better in my opinion is site F200, very large pull-through site. Also reservable. And you should be able to get your rig level on that side as well. Right across from the Big Meadows Campground is the Bird Visitor Center, also here at Big Meadows. And Here's some highlights for Shenandoah National Park. Skyline Drive is 105 miles long, has 75 overlooks, 500 miles of hiking trails. That includes the Appalachia Trail that travels from south to north or north to south. And there's 2 major visitor centers, one of which is the Bird Visitor Center. There is a dump station at this campground. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.